Lorenzo, this one is in the book, your book, Scarlet Macao. So nice. It's like rainbow.
Manok, oh.
Rainbow. The color is rainbow. Bye-bye, Scarlet Macao. Bye-bye. Kakato is one of the parrot. African gray parrot. This is the parrot. Hyacinth Macao. Where is the Hyacinth Macao? I think it's over there. Let's check. Let's check. Oh, it's over there. Oh. Hyacinth Macao are over there. Oh, they're hiding. They don't want to see us. Here's Macao. Here's Macao. Iguana. No iguana. Oh, good. No iguana. Map of the whole Jurong Bird Park. We're here at Waterfall Aviary, Lorenzo. Is this where the Philippine eagle is housed? Oh, this is the Juan Theater. So many hot dogs.
So many longganisa.
Uh-oh. Sa cafe pala. Yeah, it becomes a juice. Birds are here. Different kinds of birds. Lisandra, no? What is that? Peacock? It's a peacock.
Hindi mo nakita mo yan?
Peacock, pero hindi nag-ano, oh. Nag-ano yung...
It's a peacock, oh.
Peacock na. Yan yung sa peacock, pero hindi nag-open yung kanyang tail. Ano bird? Sayang. Oh, nest. There's a nest. Oh. There's the waterfall. Waterfall is 35 meters away. How many nests? Over there, there's a nest. Oh, that's why it's called aviary. Waterfall aviary. There's a waterfall aviary. Oh, that's oil. There's oil. The oil bird. Does it look nice, Lisandro? Yay! Take a picture. Yeah. Take a picture of you. Yay! Yay! Lorenzo here. This Lorenzo. Bird bath.
Nagulat baby sa ubi mo.
Oh, lagi. Oh, flying. Oh, what is that? Oh, Scarlet, a Macao. It's a Macao. So many birds. So many different kinds of birds. Are you having fun, Lisandro? Lorenzo? Oh, yes.
Is this a bird?
What?
Is this a bird?
Huh?
Is this a bridge?
Yeah, it's a bridge. Feeding station. You go to the feeding station. They feed the bird there. Wow, what a nice bird. Over there. It's Macao. Macao. So many nice birds. Ooh. There they drink something. Oh, I think the Macao is eating peanut. Oh, Macao is eating peanut.